This video can be really practical for developers or technical leads or even architects who design projects on daily basis, right? So they receive some business requirements, and then they need to provide some technical insights to stakeholders to explain what technical means would be used to implement this project, right? Like what kind of effort is required, like what are the components of this particular business implementation, right? And all other nuances that could be exposed to the managers. So here's what you can see on the screen is an example of a project breakdown in dplanner, right? So in dplanner, a project is basically represented by an initiative, right, which can have multiple epics. And here we can see the breakdown by epics. Like basically the project secure notepad contains some epics that implement that project, like adding controls or adding a ribbon or some architectural and design requirements and so on. And like my goal is to present stakeholders this project, the insights for this project in the format of like technical blueprint, right? So what instruments can I use for it? Right? First of all, I can use network diagram. So this is the way to conveniently represent a project in a view of like a project dependencies in a view of a network diagram. So basically, you can see the details of each epic here, and then you can zoom in and see the dependencies, and just get the basic idea of the project structure. Then we have another instrument which is called effort analysis. So here you can see the pie chart of all of the activities that are needed for this project. So we can see development, testing, business requirements, right? And below we have a summary which represents the actual numbers, right? So calculated numbers for each epic. Another useful instrument is like, what if I want to convert all this information, combine all this information to one single report? So for that, we have a convenient instrument called Initiative Design Report. Like in this report, you just select an initiative and it provides you all the information like network diagram, effort pie chart, and summaries in the format of a report. So this report contains all these charts plus individual information about each epic that basically features user stories, high-level estimates, and you can actually select even more. And by customizing this report, for example, here you can select description, or you can just remove the sections which you don't need, which is also like pretty convenient stuff. So in order to provide this report for external parties, it can be convenient to use a feature called export to PDF. That's basically a feature that allows to oversee this report and download it in the format of a PDF document. And basically here you essentially getting the same stuff, but you can use that file now to send it to some email, to some stakeholder, or to another interested party. All right, that's basically it for this video. Let me know if you have any comments or questions about it in the description below.